Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the top 5 best IDEs for Python on Linux in 2024. Whether you're new to programming or an experienced developer, choosing the right integrated development environment, IDE, can make a huge difference in your productivity and overall coding experience. So let's dive in and find out which Python IDEs are the best for Linux this year. First up, we have PyCharm. PyCharm is a powerful, cross-platform, highly customizable, and pluggable Python IDE. It integrates all the development tools you need in one place. There are two variants: the Community Edition, which is free and open source, and the Professional Edition, which is paid. PyCharm offers smart code completion, code inspection functionalities, and remarkable error highlighting and quick fixes. It also comes with automated code refactoring and excellent navigation capabilities. Plus, it has built-in developer tools such as an integrated debugger and test runner, a Python profiler, a built-in terminal, integration with major version control systems, VCS, and built-in database tools. PyCharm is very popular among Python programmers and is designed for professional developers. If you're serious about Python development, PyCharm is definitely worth checking out. Next on our list is Wing Python IDE. Wing is a highly customizable and flexible professional Python IDE with a powerful debugger and intelligent editor. It enables interactive Python development in a fast, accurate, and fun manner. Wing is known for its extremely powerful debugging capabilities, code navigation, integrated unit testing, remote development, and more. If you're a fan of Vim, you'll be happy to know that Wing integrates seamlessly with the Vim editor. It also has rich integration with frameworks like App Engine, Django, Piked, Flask, Vagrant, and beyond. It supports project management and version control with Git, Mercurial, Bazaar, Subversion, and many others. Wing is becoming increasingly popular among Python developers, and many users now prefer it to PyCharm. Coming in at number 3 is Eric Python IDE. Eric is a feature-rich Python IDE written in Python. It's based on the cross-platform Qt UI toolkit and integrated with the highly flexible Scintilla editor control. It supports an unlimited number of editors. Eric provides a configurable window layout, configurable syntax highlighting, source code auto-completion, source code call tips, source code folding, brace matching, and error highlighting. It also offers advanced search functionality, including project-wide search and replace. Eric includes an integrated class browser and web browser, and an integrated version control interface for Mercurial, Subversion, and Git repositories as core plugins. One of its most important features, which many Python IDEs lack, is an integrated source code documentation system. Next, let's talk about PyDev for Eclipse. PyDev is an open-source, feature-rich Python IDE for Eclipse. It supports Django integration, code completion with auto-import, type hinting, and code analysis. PyDev offers refactoring, a debugger, a remote debugger, a tokens browser, an interactive console, unit test integration, code coverage, and PyLint integration. You can use it for Python, Jython, and IronPython development. If you're already an Eclipse user, PyDev is a great option as it integrates seamlessly with the Eclipse environment. Finally, we have Spyder. Spyder is a scientific Python IDE with many features for research, data analysis, and scientific package creation. It comes with a multi-language editor with a function class browser, code analysis features with support for PyFlakes and PyLint, code completion, horizontal and vertical splitting, and a go-to definition feature. Spyder also has an interactive console, documentation viewer, variable explorer, and file explorer. It allows for searching queries across multiple files in your project with complete support for regular expressions. Spyder is especially popular among data scientists and researchers due to its rich feature set tailored for scientific computing. As an honorable mention, we have Piso. Piso is a simple, free, and open-source IDE for Python. It employs Conda, an OS-agnostic system-level binary package manager and ecosystem. However, it works without any Python interpreter. Piso is made up of an editor, a shell, and an assortment of useful standard tools such as a file browser, source structure, logger, and an interactive help feature. It offers full Unicode support in both editor and shell, and you can choose between different Qt themes to use. If you're looking for something simple and highly interactive, Pyzo is worth a try. So there you have it, the top 5 best Python IDEs for Linux in 2024, plus an honorable mention. Choosing the right IDE can significantly enhance your programming experience, making coding more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more programming tips and reviews. See you in the next video.